Hey guys, this is a quick video on how to insert or remove a SIM card or a micro SD card from your Huawei Mate 10. Now it's pretty simple. If you still have the box your phone shipped in, I'll explain what to do first. But if you don't, I'll tell you in a second what to do. Open up the box first. And right here is where your phone shipped. And right underneath, in this area right here to the left side, you should have some pamphlets right here. You should have some papers, a free case, things like that. And right underneath some of it, you should have this black piece of paper with the SIM card ejector tool right here. So go ahead and lift this up. You should be able to just kind of pop this up like this. And then you should be able to drag it out. Now the most important thing is the needle here at the end. So if you don't have this, you can try checking an old phone box, as most phones do ship with these. Maybe a hairpin, a paper clip, something similar to that with the needle here. So once you have the SIM card ejector tool, go ahead and grab your Mate 10. And have it facing towards you like this. Now the SIM card tray is right over here on the side. I'm gonna adjust the light for you guys. So hopefully y'all can make that out. The hole is right here. And all you do is insert the SIM card ejector tool into it. Apply a tiny bit of force. And it should pop up pretty easily. Go ahead and drag it out. So for the SIM card, this is the front with the logos on it. As you guys see, it's AT&T. And this is the back. It should be gold plated like this. So you want the front with the logos on it facing towards you just like this. And then all you do is just place it on the SIM card tray. Just like that. So for the micro SD card, it's pretty similar. Again, this is the front with the logos on it. And this is the back. So you want it facing towards you like this with the logos. You want the front part facing towards you. And all you do is just place it on. So right there is the final result. And finally, all you do is just slide it back in. And that's all there is to it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully the video helped you out. Now, if you still have any questions, let me know in the comment section below and we'll try to answer them. If you want to watch another video right now, you can press it in the top left or the top right. Or if you want to see more videos in the future, press it in the middle there, subscribe for more. And as always, thank you for watching.